How to redeem Uber Eats promo code. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Uber Eats promo code. Different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me head over to this site. In this page, you can see different coupons for different offers are available. All you want to do is click on View Coupon. Now simply tap on Copy. Well, the promo code has been copied successfully. Now what you want to do is head over to the application Uber Eats. You need to simply apply the promo code and get certain amount of discount. Likewise, you can redeem or get more promo code from that site and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem the Uber Eats promo code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.